In this, what I recommend you, that if you really want to take protein shake at your dinner time, it's good you can take it. Like, you have to decide that what is your motive. Like, if you are a pro bodybuilder, you do 7 days training and you want to build muscles like a muscular bodybuilder, then you can definitely go with that, because on that time you can require more protein to build more muscle. But if you are a normal person, you want to live a healthy lifestyle, or you want to build a lean muscle, then I would recommend you go with the natural food. You can take supplement after your workout or pre-workout, but at your dinner time you should go with the vegetables, natural food, because in that you will able to find all the multivitamins which is required to maintain your body. In protein, what happens that sometimes they eliminate all the nutrients from the protein, and they will give you a pure protein, which is good, but you require all those essential amino acids or multivitamins. So my advice is to take vegetables